back to Herbie and Friends. I'm Michael.
I'm Patrick.
As you can see in my hand, we have a baby mockingbird. And the nice things about these, they have a pretty big wingspan, and their wings tend to vary in colors. So you can see as some of this is gray and black. Now the inner ones are white. Also, they will grow really fast. They will grow by the next year back to their full mockingbird form. I'm going to go put him on the ground and see what else he can do. It's so cool. Look, watch this. He'll chirp. That means he wants his mom's help. But he will soon run for it. See, like just like that. See how fast he's going? Now he's on it. Okay. They run pretty fast for this little guy. So the mom looks like it's right there, inside the branch. Right there, right on top of that branch. He wants some food. Well, we are going to go release him. Every time we'll hear a chirp, we'll go look around and see if we spot him and if he's doing good. So we're going to go release him where we found him. Oh, another cool thing, they will like latch their claws onto you to look it like make you feel like a branch. So okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Tell me what you want to see me catch next. Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Oh my God, he's a second! Oh my God! Oh God! Yeah, but they don't got okay. Oh, let me go back in. Oh, crap. Oh,
I just chased. Don't get the worm.
wait, are you recording this? Turn it off.